everybody, Miguel Hernandez here with the Salton Sea Management Program. Here today, out here at the Salton Sea, we're planting some trees. Thanks to EcoMedia Compass for the invitation. Pretty great community event, come together in community to help restore the Salton Sea. Small space, however pretty significant for the community at Desert Shores. As significant as other projects that are happening around the Salton Sea.
I'm so happy to be out here with EcoMedia Compass. They put together this great event today, planting 38 trees, and it's so important. This is so important to do for our sea, to make sure that the dust isn't continuing to be in the air at such an extreme rate that we're seeing today and right now. Glass over here.
Oh, well, thank you. Be nice to clean this up for the community.
We'll do a 1-to-1 mix of this compost manure blend and just the sandy dirt we've got.
I was like, whoa, like this is beautiful. This spot specifically here on Desert Shores is my favorite. This is the most like resorty view, I think, of the whole coastline. Something about the water looks like really blue here. And so I saw on Instagram that folks were meeting up to plant trees, and I was like, I drove out from LA just to be here today.
A beautiful place to be, to visit, to recreate, and to enjoy nature and enjoy the beauty of water in a desert.
There's a desert willow.
And what does it look like when it's blooming?
When it's actually got, you can see one of the purple flowers. So it'll grow up and spread out, and at the right time of year, it'll give us some beautiful purple flowers. This we'll use as a shade tree, which is different from the others. We've also got 2 Palo Verde, one there and one over there. Those also will be sort of decorative and shade trees. Then the mesquite are going to all be lined up at 10-foot separation like you see along this fence wall line. And what you guys are doing right now is you're doubling the depth of that. So you dig in the back line to support the front line. And we're going to do essentially a wall of trees on the west side and curve around, and a wall of trees on the south side. All of those are going to be mesquite. Okay, so mesquite along this, all the way around and out to there.
Hey Corbin, what you doing?
Moving trees.
Planting trees, moving trees.
Moving trees.
Good stuff, moving trees. Corbin's part of our team here on the site. Hey Jerry, what are you up to?
What am I up to?
Yeah.
Planting trees, my favorite thing.
Planting trees. Love that. What kind of tree is this?
This one's a mesquite tree.
I'm really excited that I'm getting to plant a tree, and because I want to see how it does. And this is, like I said, one of my favorite spots in the whole shore. So I feel like I'm a part of it, and it's exciting. And I also wanted to come out and meet folks. And yeah, I met so many people today. And so yeah, it's been fun. This is a successful day so far.
Yeah, as long as they get water and stuff, they'll make her. And they get real big and bushy.
Yeah, so we're clearing this out so that way we can put some trees right here to hopefully block the dust that's going to come from the sea, and hopefully it works. See how it goes.
And we're seeing more dust. So this tree planting today is just one of many steps that we could take to make sure that the dust continues to, or hopefully decrease. So we're continuing to say also we need water for our Salton Sea.
So, to be honest, and this is my personal take on this, you know, the water that we are going to get is what Mother Nature gives us, and that's pretty much it.
Desert needs water too.
Yeah, it is a little bit ironic that the desert is getting sucked dry of water to send water to the coast that's got an unlimited ocean next to it. And the only difference is money and what people are willing to pay for water out there versus they can get it cheaper from here.
The property owners need to be compensated for a lack of what their property is valued at anymore. It's really rough.
We are planting trees for the environment, for our sea.
Okay, so we leave the state.
Protected from the wind and all the elements.
We leave the state. So I would make my hole right here if you don't mind.
Mr. Taji, what are you up to today at the Salton Sea?
I was listening to the Beach Boys,
playing at the beach, digging holes in the sand.
Yeah, why?
We're saving this little area right here. We're gonna make it beautiful. Block some of this hellish wind.
Verify that.
So then
He's a verification over here. Miguel is almost done over here.
All right, let's go check out this fresh tree hole. So we're gonna go spy on Mr. Hernandez, CNRA. We're very grateful for his presence and wisdom, and also for his ditch digging abilities. He didn't know he'd be.
And we are thankful that Miguel is here supporting the community with his muscles as well as his talents.
Yeah.
Right?
Anyway, I'm a huge bird watcher. That's my passion in life.
How many trees did you plant today?
I don't know.
Enough.
It's cool though. I
Enough
love
trees. Good. Thank you.
It's been a really good day. Really great bunch of people and beautiful weather.
Yeah.
Good music.
It's been fun.
Yeah. It's always fun.
Yeah.
You guys are doing great. You are trying. I've been all around the sea. I've been down to the Sunny Bono area, and they're doing great work down there. Yes, I know the birds have diminished, but they're not gone.
And the people that are originally here, the Kauai people, they knew how to take care of this land, and we are here to be stewards of the land, to come together also to help in that most basic fundamental idea of planting trees. And I think it's so important to me, and our health, important to the health and the wildlife and the ecosystem. So thank you once again today, putting this together, bringing people together, continuing to do that. I really look forward to the future doing this again. So thank you so much.
It was a very full day, but we had 25, 30 volunteers come out and plant 38 trees, which is amazing. So this place went from very barren looking to very green and beautiful. So we're excited to help out with the biodiversity that this will provide, the windbreak, but also something really nice for the community that has lost a lot. And this is for them, and this is for the environment as well. So we're really excited and grateful for all of the help, the people that came out, and that we've been able to come together and keep things growing.
We continue to work together. We want to be with community. We want to involve community in our projects, but also be involved in community projects as well. So thanks again for the invitation. There's a lot more work to do. Happy to continue to collaborate with EcoMedia Compass and others. Thank you.
And this place is turning into a really beautiful park. So we haven't saved the sea yet, but we planted a lot of trees today and it feels really good. Thanks all.
But yeah, I'm really happy to be here. I'm excited to see how my tree does. They say it's in a tricky spot, but I think it's gonna do well. I think it's gonna do well. I'm very optimistic about it.
Even if it's not everything, even if it's not huge, we can do something. And I think that's probably why we're here, right? Thanks for all your support over the years.
And I want to thank everybody. And I love this kind of stuff. My husband, not so big, but I make him come. Anyway, give you guys all a round of applause.